Good morning. So today I'll be giving you instructions on what to do for your reporting next week. Since I've already posted on what group you belong to and gave you your assigned topics, I'll be giving you the time today to prepare. So before that, I would like to introduce you to your new classmates who they transferred to. So please give me your name.
Hello everyone, I am Richard and I am 18 years old and I'm a transfer student from USA. And it's a pleasure to meet you all guys.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Richard. Everyone, I hope you'll be friends with So for your reporting next week, we'll be grouping this okay? So for the instructions, for your reporting, I would like you to be creative. It's up to you whether you want to make PPT or visual aid, as long as you deliver your presentation clearly and clearly. So that will be all of today's Thank you.
Hi guys, can I accompany you guys?
Sino siya ba, student? Hindi ko na na-translate ka, dali.
Sige, good. Pero, okay. I'm actually wondering what do you do or what do you enjoy like classes in city?
Ano raw? Mabilis siya kasi magsalita. Ang sabot.
Fun? After class? Tambay. Tambay? I don't really get it. What's tambay?
Nahihirapan ako. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Ako good news big tayo.
Ito guys, 3 na kalingwahe yung ginagamit natin.
I just really wanna have friends. But currently we're having a really bad time understanding each other.
Hey, let's try mixing Konti Tagalog, Bisaya, English, or serious translator.
Sige, pwede.
Pwede ba tayong maging friends?
Can we be friends?
Amigo na kasi bro. Ganun ang magawin na lunch na lang.
Yes, we're friends now, bro. Would you like to have lunch together?
Oh, I see now. So you want to be friends with me? Yes, I'll be delighted to hang out with you guys. Yes, tambay. Hang out.
See? Susubukan natin. We can understand each other.
I am delighted to have you. Our languages may differ, but friendship is universal.